This is how you can create an Instagram post in Canva. If you haven't already registered into Canva, now navigate to more, and on the left side of your screen you can see the social media. Click on social media, select Instagram, and as you can see there are Instagram templates that you can choose from here. We are going to choose the square post. Now what you can first do is to add some background to your post. You can either add images, or in this case I'm going to add shape. Expand this. You can change your colors, and I think I'm gonna go with a very light gray color. You can also change your color from here, and if you have a color code, you can just paste your color code here, and you can see this is your color. Now here you can add your images, specifically PNG images that is transparent, just like this one. So I'm gonna adjust it, put it in the center. Now we can enhance it by adding text. You navigate to text, add text box. Also, if you want to zoom into your artboard, you can hold Control and zoom in, or using this scroll panel right here, you can zoom into your artboard. You can also adjust the size of your text. You can put in specific numbers. Now, I don't want my text to be too layered. Therefore, I'm going to extend this bar right here. And there you go. You can duplicate your text by holding Alternate, drag it, and there you go. You can also change your fonts if you don't like the original. You navigate to font and you can search for the font that you desire. In this case, I'm gonna go with Times New Roman, condensed. I'm going to do the same with the other text. You can also change the text color, however color you like to fit the theme. In this case, I have my own color. I'm going to paste the color code. You can search them up on Google and you see, here's your color. If you have similar text with the similar color, you can change all by clicking down here. And there you go. Both of your text have the same color. Now I am going to add more text to complete the post. Here, instead of creating two texts, one on the top and one at the bottom by hitting enter and doing like this, instead what you can do is you can copy, and now you can control the sizing or spacing of the text freely. You can have some fancy composition just like this on the right or the left, up to you. You can select both texts by clicking on the first text, hold down shift and click on to the second text. There you go. This is how you can grab both texts and edit both texts at the same time. The font, I'm going to go with Arial Nova, bold. And this time I'm not going to change all because I only selected two and I only want two to change. And now I can size them both together to make them huge. Adjust them a little bit, add more text to your liking. And this is your final post. Now you can create such beautiful posts using Canva for Instagram.